Who do you love?
你爱谁？
My hobby is stamp collecting.
我爱好集邮。
He goes to bed at 8 o'clock.
他8点上床睡觉。
Where's your father?
你爸爸在哪里？
I'll take a cup of tea.
来杯茶吧。
You are as white as a sheet.
你像纸一样白。
He sleeps by day and works by night.
他白天睡，夜晚工作。
They enlisted 400 recruits for the Navy.
他们为海军征募了400名新兵。
How many are there in your class?
你班里有多少人？
The climbers made camp halfway up the peak.
登山队员在半山腰扎营。
He was out of a job for 6 months.
他已失业半年了。
They've been watching that film for ages.
他们看了那部电影半天了。
He can't help you.
他不能帮你。
Are you willing to help?
你愿意帮忙吗？
The wallet is in the bag.
钱包在包里。
Chinese like to eat steamed buns.
中国人喜欢吃包子。
I'll take a cup of tea.
来杯茶吧。
Which cup is yours?
哪个杯子是你的？
South is opposite north on a compass.
罗盘上南与北是相对的。
The wind is blowing from the north.
风从北边来。
The air is very good in Beijing today.
北京今天空气很好。
This book is mine.
这本书是我的。
Is this your notebook?
这是你的本子吗？
He looks old for his age.
他看起来比他的实际年龄大。
Please leave me alone.
请别打扰我。
I don't have any other questions.
我没有别的问题了。
Don't rely too much on others.
别老依赖别人。
The disease is hereditary.
这种病有遗传性。
The patient got better little by little.
病人逐渐康复了。
This room is not big.
这个房间不大。
What's wrong with telling the truth?
说实话有什么不对？
You're welcome.
不客气。
You don't need to worry about it.
你不用担心。
He's not religious.
他不信教。
This dish needs a little more garlic.
这菜里要再加点2蒜。
Would you care for some tea?
你要喝点茶吗？
There is no reason for you to feel inferior to anyone.
你没理由觉得自己比别人差的。
Do you come here often?
你常来吗？
I often hiccup.
我常常哀气。
I want to sing a song.
我想唱个歌。
Are you going to sing?
你要唱歌吗？
There's a car coming.
有车来了。
How much is the ticket?
车票多少钱？
Is there a doctor on board?
车上有医生吗？
I'll drop you off at the station.
我载你到车站。
Please eat something.
请吃点菜。
Have you eaten yet?
吃饭了没有？
Get out of my house.
滚出我家。
Are you coming out for a walk?
你要出来散散步吗？
She seldom goes out.
她很少出去。
What size shoes do you wear?
你穿几号的鞋子？
The bed takes up a lot of space.
床占了很多空间。
Millions were killed in that earthquake.
在那次地震中，数百万人死亡。
The wind is blowing from the north.
风从北边来。
That was my mistake.
那是我的错。
He can play tennis very well.
他网球打得很好。
Let's take a taxi.
我们打车去吧。
He promised to give me a phone call.
他承诺给我打电话。
Open the door, please.
请把门打开。
Do you like to play ball games?
你喜欢打球吗？
How huge that airplane is.
那飞机真大。
I majored in philosophy at my university.
我在大学主修哲学。
My brother is a college student.
我哥哥是个大学生。
You don't have to wait until the end.
你没必要待到最后。
He couldn't get the job.
他无法得到这份工作。
She goes to school very happily.
他高高兴兴地去学校。
This is my husband.
这是我的先生。
Would you like to wait?
你愿意等吗？
The land was low-lying.
这片地势低洼。
Let's arrange a time and place for our next meeting.
咱们定好下次会议的时间和地点吧。
I'll come to your place.
我会来你的地方。
The ground was crawling with ants.
地上满是蚂蚁。
Do you have a map?
你有地图吗？
Do you have younger brothers?
你有弟弟吗？
I got out of the car at 40th Street.
我在第40大街下了车。
I'm a bit stuffed.
我点鼻塞。
The electricity came on again in a few minutes.
很快电就又来了。
The telephone is ringing.
电话响了。
I want to play on the computer.
我想玩电脑。
Please turn off the television.
请把电视关掉。
There is a television in the room.
房里有个电视机。
The movie is about to start.
电影快要开演了。
Are there any movie theaters near here?
这里附近有没有电影院？
I'd like to fly to East Berlin.
我想坐飞机去东柏林。
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west.
太阳从东边升起，西边落山。
How much does this thing cost?
这东西多少钱？
Don't move.
不要动。
The sound on a film must synchronize with the action.
影片中的声音必须与动作配合一致。
I know all that.
我都知道。
He was tired from reading.
他读累了。
Do you like to study?
你爱读书吗？
You are quite right.
你是对的。
You're right. I'm sorry.
对，对不起。
How lovely.
多可爱啊！
How much time is left?
还剩多少时间？
I'm very hungry now.
我现在非常饿。
How old is your son?
你儿子几岁？
1 plus 2 equals 3.
1加2等于3。
The food is ready.
饭做好了。
I want to go to a restaurant for dinner.
我想去饭店吃晚饭。
Clean up the room.
收拾房间。
The house is haunted.
这房子闹鬼。
Put the book there.
把书放在那里。
Workaholics view holidays as a waste of time.
在工作狂的眼中，放假就是在浪费时间。
He went back to the dorm as soon as he finished class.
他一放学就回宿舍了。
Ostriches cannot fly.
鸵鸟不会飞。
I've never flown in an airplane.
我从来没有坐过飞机。
You're very courageous.
您非常勇敢。
Let's divide this money between you and me.
这钱你和我分了吧。
The wind is cold today.
今天刮冷风。
Winter is very dry.
冬天很干。
Are your hands clean?
你的手干净吗？
Do you have any idea who would do this?
你觉得这事是谁干的？
What do you want to do tomorrow?
你明天想干什么？
He's not as tall as you are.
他没你高。
I am not happy.
我不高兴。
Please tell me the truth.
请告诉我真相。
She adores her older brother.
他爱慕他哥哥。
She sang a Japanese song for us.
他为我们唱了一首日文歌。
That's a good idea.
真是个好主意。
Give it to me.
给我。
I'm not acquainted with her.
我跟他不熟。
We don't want to hire inexperienced workers.
我们不想聘用没有经验的工人。
I work in a hospital.
我在医院工作。
Close the door, please.
请关上门。
That's all for this video. Please boop that like button and stay tuned for part 2 of our new HSK 1 sentences series.